Welcome to my channel. Today invention questions. It's very important for your exams, any exams, government, defense, etc. Question number 1. Who was the first American female to patent her invention, a method of weaving straw with silk? Option: Marjoria Joyner, Margaret Knight, Amanda Jones, Mary Kies. Answer is option D, Mary Kies. Its explanation is Mary was not the first American woman inventor, to be sure. There were many female inventors before her, but they never bothered to get a patent. Question number 2. Who invented gramophone? Option: Michael Faraday, Fahrenheit, Sir Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Alva Edison. Answer is D, Thomas Alva Edison. Question number 3. Who invented internal combustion engine? Option: Roger Bacon, Karl Benz, Dr. Alan M. Turing, Otto, and the answer is option D, Otto. It's question number 4. When was monopoly created? Okay. 1940s, 1930s, 1920s, 1950s. Its answer is B, 1930s. Its explanation: after the stock market crash, a buying and selling game created by Charles Darrow came to be. The first game were hand drawn on linoleum with streets from Atlantic City NJ as the property. He took the game to the Parker Brother Company and Monopoly was brought out for Christmas 1934. Everyone wanted to buy the game after Christmas and Monopoly became a big success. Question number 5. What furniture item was invented by California furniture designer Charles Prenor Hall in 1968? Option: sofa bed, captain's chair, water bed, ham- hammock. Answer is option C, water bed. Question number 6. The The Manhattan Project was started by President Roosevelt in 1942 to ensure that the US beat the Germans in developing a nuclear bomb. Whom did Roosevelt appoint as scientific head the Manhattan Project? Option: Robert Oppenheimer, James B. Conrad, Leslie R. Groves, Vannevar Bush. Answer is A, Robert Oppenheimer. Its explanation: Leslie R. Groves, however, was the military head of the project and the overall supremo, while Robert Oppenheimer was the scientific director. The world's first atomic bomb was exploded in the New Mexico desert on July 16, 1945. Question number 7. When was the first law Mover invented? Option: 1830, 1854, 1835, 1849. Answer is A, 1830. Its explanation: the first law movers were not engine powered, invented in 1830 by Edwin Budding of England. The movers were turning blades on wooden stakes used to cut grass. Engine powered movers were not invented until 1919 by an American Army colonel who used the motor from a washing machine. Question number 8. In which decade were the first successful diode and triode vacuum tubes invented? Option: 18, 1880s, 1890s, 1900. Answer is D, 1900. Explanation: in 1904, John Ambrose Fleming invented the first practical electron tube called the Fleming valve, which is a diode rectifier. In 1906, Lee De Forest invented the audio later called the trioide, which provided signal amplification. Question number 9. Who is the English physicist responsible for the Big Bang theory? Option Albert Einstein, Michael Scube, George Gamow, Roger Penrose. Answer is C. George Gamow. Its explanation: George Gamow, who died in 1968, was a physicist who published 30 years the Shub physics. Question number 10. Its last question. What game was the first produced by the Southern Novelty Company in Baltimore, Maryland in 1892? Frisbee, Monopoly, Ouija board, ping pong. Answer is C. Ouija board. Its explanation is the board was invented by Isaac and William Fuel. The word Ouija comes from the French and German word the German word for yes, oi and ja. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for many questions, invention like etc.